last 3 classes, when attendance was very low, I have covered topic about users, about super user and permission. These 3 important. Once again, I am going to repeat it. But I think there is no output of repetition because still the students are very less. Before Holi, the whole class was full. Around 30, 32, 34 students are present. Right now, only 5 and 3, 8. Only 8 is fine. Switch off the light. This light. No, yes. And this light also. Bus.
Yes. Yes.
Fine. Fine. Now, as I have told you, book provided by the college, I have seen standard input, standard error, standard output input. Actually, suppose I am going to run a command. Okay, just see at the board. I am going to run a command. And this command is ls space minus l slash HOLI holy fest. Is there any directory which I have created with name holy fest?
No, sir.
No. What will happen? In that case, we will get an error report.
Yes, sir.
Huh. Cannot access holy fest, no such file or directory.
Yes.
Okay, fine. I am going to just run this command. Now this directory is available, root partition is available.
Yes, sir.
Fine. In this case, I am getting some output. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I have complained to my senior member or IT head or anybody that sir, I am getting this kind of error message at my string. How can I work on this particular directory or file or something? If that admin or your technical head is just asking, please send me the error report which you are looking at the screen to me. How can you send? In that case, you will have to take a screenshot.
Yes.
But a screenshot is actually the concept of your cell phone. In this case, you will use a screenshot, print a screen key for taking a screenshot. Fine. But in case, if there is only CLI mode, what will you do? Only CLI, no GUI. That's why there is a command. Look. Suppose I have used this First of all, I'm going to clear it. This command. After running this command, I get an error.
Yes.
Again, I am going to run this command, but with this operator. And I am going to give a name to a file. Error. What will happen? Nothing at the screen.
No, sir.
But if I am going to see this error file, I can see the error message which I have got in this first line. Now I can mail this file to my senior.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this kind of error message I am getting,
Yes.
right? This kind of error message I am getting. This is known as standard error output. Standard error. Fine. Now command is this. Please note down. Means we can gather information about the error message into a file by using to and greater than sign. To and greater than sign means this is used for standard error redirection. Standard error redirection. I am getting error after running this command. I have used this operator to greater than. After that, this error message was redirected into this file. You can use any file. I have used error. You can use F1, F2, F3 report, anything. Fine.
Comments.
Repeat comment. This operator to greater than is used to redirect error message into a file. And this is known as standard error. Standard error. Font is visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Clear? Now once again, I am going to use ampersand sign. In place of 2, I am going to use ampersand sign. What will happen? And I have changed the name of output file also, F1. Fine, maybe F1 is available. So I have created it many times. Huh? File 1. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Now enter. What happened? You have to check it into the file, cat, file 1. No such, is this ampersand fine. Just this. Fine. Now see, with this operator 2 greater than, we collect errors into a file,
Yes, sir.
error report into a file. If we will use this operator ampersand and greater than, it will collect error report or correct report, both error report or correct report. 2 is only used to collect error report. If I am getting correct output, nothing will be collected into a file because there is no error. But ampersand sign is used to collect both error and correct output. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Any command? Now, we have used this operator, standard input. Look, cat file, for example, 1. There is one line in this file.
Yes,
Suppose WC minus L, I have to count line
yes,
in that case. But in which file? We can use this redirectional operator, less than, and then file name, file 1, there is one line. Means this redirectional operator is used to give input to this command. We have already used it. WC, actually it is a command, WC minus L. It requires a file input because from that file it will calculate how many lines are there. I have given input of a file with this redirection operator less than. Clear?
Yes.
To take input from a file. Comment will be to take input from a file.
Sir,
Yes.
one to show कर रहा है.
One. Because there is only one line in this file. I have used L. L is used for L is used to count lines. No. Actually, I am just searching all things in your book. I am missing something or no? Okay, fine. There is one more thing. ls space minus l l slash holy fest. Fine. Actually, this directory is not available.
Yes.
We have used to and redirectional operator and like error like file to collect error report into a file.
Yes.
Fine. Now, after that we have used ampersand sign to collect error or correct report into a file.
Yes.
Is there any possibility to collect only correct report into a file? Because 2 is only for error report. Ampersand can be used for error or correct report. Is there any option to collect only correct report? This option is 1. Fine?
Yes.
Now, actually, I'm going to use file name. File 5. One is used for correct. I'm going to just press enter. Is there anything redirected into a file 5? Cat file 5? Nothing, because one is used, one and greater than sign is used only to transfer correct output into a file. Fine. Getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 greater than is used to collect error report only. ampersand is used to collect error or correct report. One is used to collect only correct report.
Yes, sir.
Fine? Note down.
Sir,
Yes.
how to make a copy machine?
Copy machine.
Yes, sir. सर इमेज सर जैसे ये बना हुआ है एक मशीन बना हुआ है मान लेना क्राफ्ट करेंगे मशीन
What are you using, the original copy of the machine or the copied machine?
सर ओरिजिनल कॉपी मशीन
If you were using original copy, in that case, you have damaged your original machine. Like, just see at my screen. Ubuntu.
यस सर
This is the copy folder. Actual folder is here. If accidentally or intentionally I have damaged my machine, then in that case I have just to delete this direct folder, and then again I will copy it from EDEF enterprise. So I have given this guideline at the beginning of the class. Now, first of all, I'm going to talk about users. This is a beautiful first topic. Users. You know well about the users. You know, there are two types of users in Linux: super user and local user. We are working right now with local user. How is it clear? It is clear with this symbol, dollar symbol, because dollar symbol is used for local use. Now, how to log on with super user? How can we use super user? And the name of super user is? So can we log on with super user? Fine. Just see. Clear. I'm going to give a command sudo minus I. Sudo minus I. Right?
Yes.
Enter. Now password for SAdmin. Who is SAdmin? SAdmin is the current user. No current local user. The name of current local user is SAdmin. C. SAdmin.
Yes.
Fine. And the password for SAdmin is Red Hat. Now you have logged on as a super user means root. Fine. So which command I have used to log in as a super user? Sudo minus I. Fine. But I can just wait. Exit. Again I am with admin means local user.
Yes.
Again I am going to use sudo command. But at this time I will use minus s. Minus s switch. In first command I have used minus I. In second command minus s.
Without powers.
With this command also I am able to log in with super user. Is there any difference between minus I and minus s?
Sir, minus I give first
No. Actually I have logged on one time with super user. That's why in second time password is not required. Okay, just see. I'm going to give a command pwd present working directory. Means root has logged on. Root has logged on. But in which home directory? In local user home directory /home/admin. So it should be very clear. If you will use minus s, in that case super user will log on into current user's home directory. Here current user is admin. Fine. I'm just going to press exit. Exit. Again I am going to log on with the super user. But at this time I will use minus I. Fine. Sudo minus I. Enter. Fine. Now pwd. At this time super user means root user logged on as logged on in with its own home directory /root. This is the actual home directory of the super user. Clear? Because different user login with login into its home directory. Into its home directory. But there is a difference between minus I and minus s. If we will use minus I, super user will log on into its own home directory. If we will use minus s, super user will log on with the current user home directory. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now note this command and write comment. Minus I, minus s. Right?
Yes.
No. Now we are with the super user.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to create a new user account. Right? To create a new user into Linux, user add command is used. Fine. User add -d for home directory /home/ suppose that I am going to create a user with name Tiger. User name will be Tiger. Fine.
Can you explain, sir?
Means user add which user? Tiger user. But what will be the Tiger's home directory? The Tiger's home directory will be root/home/Tiger with the same. Fine?
Yes, sir. Sir, Tiger is a username.
Tiger is the user name. Clear?
Yes.
Tiger is the user name. Now, we have to specify, we have to change the login cell of this user. Fine?
Yes.
Look. User mod -s /bin/bash time. To change the login cell of this user, because we would like to give privilege to this user Tiger to log on as admin, as the root, as admin is logging, as a root user is logging. The same privilege should have, the same cell should have Tiger. That's why I have changed the login cell. To change the login cell of a user, we should use command user mod space -s space /bin/bash.
Yes.
Correct?
Sir, first we create a new user. Again, we change the mode.
Cell of the user.
Cell means, sir?
Bash shell. You are getting all these facilities, prompt, symbols through bash shell. I have explained it in the beginning of the class.
Yes, sir.
Shell.
Yes.
Now, we have to set a password for this user, Tiger user. PASSWD, passwd, TIGER, Tiger. 123, 123. To set a new password, to change password, same command is used, passwd, passwd space username. I have typed few password, but it is not visible at the screen. This is the due to the security reason.
Yes, sir. Security reasons.
Fine. Now we will check, is this user Tiger is able to log in? Able to log in or not?
Yes.
Now, before to check login status of user Tiger, we will check, is there any entry into the user file? Is there any entry into the password file? Fine. To check it, vi/etc/passwd. This file /etc/passwd file keeps information about every users. If we have created a new user Tiger should also be available into this file. This is the first user root. I'm going at the bottom of this file. Now Tiger is available.
Yes.
Now see, this is user Tiger. This X is actually represents the password availability. Yes, password is available for this user. This 1001 is actually the user ID, UID, user ID, and this 1001 is used for the group ID, because whenever you create a new user, a new group is created automatically. So every user has its own group. We can change different, we can make different group also, but every user has its own group. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Good. This is the home directory /home/Tiger, and this is the cell which we have modified with the help with the user mod space -s command. It is correct?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Is there any entry into password file? Which one is the password file? vi/etc/sado /sado. Now see this file. Yes, we have created Tiger and we have given a very simple password 123 123, but these 3 characters are now in this form.
It is called
encrypted form till this point. Fine. So this is the password file. Means there is an entry of password related to Tiger user.
Yes.
So fine. In this way, we have checked that, okay, we have created a user Tiger. Now Tiger is ready to log in. Fine. User su minus specify the name of Tiger, press enter. Logged in. Login with home. No directory. Oh, it has no directory. Good. Just no home directory. Oh, sorry. Actually, we have specified that Tiger will have its own home directory into /home/home home partition, but we have not created any directory because there is no availability. Only one home directory is available for admin.
Yes.
Now I am going to make a directory mkdir /home/type. Fine. Again I am going to repeat the above command. Now see. Fine.
Yes.
So just write down this command also. Before login, create a home directory for the new user. Create a home directory for the new user. Sorry. Root group home share. Now, just note down one more command, but I am not going to explain it because I will clear it into the permission chapter. Fine. ch mod 777/home/5. For comment, just write comment, change permission of Tiger home directory. Change permission of Tiger home directory. Fine. Now again we will try to log in as Tiger user. Fine. SU minus time. At this time, Tiger is able to log on into its phone directly. Fine. There is no error.
Just the first one is a permission.
What I have told you. Just note down this line. I will explain it into permission chapter. That permission chapter is just after this user chapter. These two chapters, user and permissions, are actually tough. Right? So don't lose your mind. Because if everything is easy, it means there is no value of this OS or book or talk in your life. Gradually, now we are putting our steps into tough chapters. Right? When you will do hands-on on this topic, user, you will have very good concept and idea about user how to do it. Because in Ubuntu, user creation is not an easy task. Right? Clear?
Yes.
Now, how to create, we have created Tiger user. We have logged on with Tiger user. Now, I'm going to create a group. Okay? Group. Sorry. You will need how to delete a user. Right?
Yes.
Very simple command. User del space. This command is used to delete an user account. Okay?
Yes.
How to create a group? Have you created any group into your phone? Huh?
Yes.
WhatsApp group,
Yes.
for example. If there is no any WhatsApp or any social media like this, can you create a group into contact?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Like CIMAGE, your all classmates. You can keep all the contacts into a particular group.
Yes.
This facility is available into phone. In this way, we can also create a group for users. Now I am going to create a group. First of all, I will have to log on as a super user. Exit. Fine. To create a group, just use group add. I'm going to give a name like friends. Now I have created a new group and its name is friend.
Friends.
Fine, friends. Now next question is, sir, we would like to check it that we have created friends group or not. How can we check? vi/etc/group. Fine. Like etc/passwd. This file is used to see all user list. /etc/shadow. This file is used to see the password setting.
Yes.
And /etc/group is used to see all groups into a file. So I am going to press enter. Now see. Friends,
Yes.
and this new group friends has also got a ID, group ID, and this group ID is 1002. Fine, group is available, but just see at the end of this line, there is no any member of this group. Fine, we have created group, but there is no any member. Like,
Sir,
yes,
the tiger is a user. Tiger is a user.
Tiger is a user, but whenever a user is created, a group is created automatically. Fine. Now, group is available. No any user is member of this group. Fine. Now I am going to make a user. I'm not going. I am going to make one member of this group. To whom? To Tiger. Fine. Now Tiger is going to be the part of this group, member of this group. User mod minus capital G friends user mod minus capital G friends and right. This command is used for the group members to a particular teacher. Now Tiger is the member of this group, friends group. First of all, note down this command. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, we will check that really tiger, tiger is really available in this group or not? How can we check? By using this, by seeing this group. Fine? Now see. Let us go to the bottom of this file. Now see.
So, we can directly cannot write the friends name, group name, after group.
After group
Yes,
means
means in the write EI/etc/group. Slash friends, we can write or no.
Directly connected with
because friends is a line of that particular file. Friend is not especially a file. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Huh?
yes,
This is very tricky, sir.
No, fine. We will do what we will do. In next class, today is Friday,
Right. Next class,
Saturday, Monday. On Monday, you all will perform these commands into the lab. Okay? But step by step. Just follow the notes. When you will perform these commands yourself, then a confidence will occur into you. Occur inside you. And you will able to understand what are the meaning of these commands, why we are using this command, etc. Fine. So our next class will be into the lab. Correct? Today we have a done practice on approximately 10 commands.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Fine. Thank you.